In this video, we'll demonstrate how to stream on TikTok with OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about streaming on TikTok, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Today, we're tackling a popular topic: how to live stream on TikTok using OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned TikTok streamer or a beginner, stick around for some valuable insights. Now let's get straight into the steps. For those with access to a TikTok stream key, we'll walk through setting it up on OBS, adjusting the layout, and ensuring a seamless vertical layout. And for those without a stream key, I've got you covered. Consider streaming on TikTok regularly for about an hour, even if you don't have many viewers initially. Pay attention to the TikTok live stream, engage with your audience, and avoid simultaneous streaming on TikTok and Twitch, as it violates terms of service. Consistency and interaction are key to earning that elusive stream key. For users with a stream key, locate the Go Live button, indicating that you have a stream key. Enter details like title, thumbnail, and game information. Confirm your choices and select a relevant topic. When you hit Go Live, a page will display your stream key and server URL. Copy these, as you'll need them in OBS. Remember, these might change, so update them each time you go live on TikTok. In OBS, create a scene collection and a profile to save your server settings. This will save you time and keep your layouts consistent for both TikTok and Twitch. Configure your OBS settings, including video bitrate, limited to 2500 for TikTok, audio bitrate, and canvas output resolution, set to 1080 by 1920 for the vertical layout. Don't forget to save your profiles. Now, design your scene. Add a video capture device for your camera and another for your gameplay. Adjust the layout based on your content, showcasing your characters and abilities for games like Genshin Impact, or focusing on the central elements for FPS games. Consider adding a logo or image to the blank space where chat would be visible on mobile. This is an excellent opportunity to promote your brand. Remember, going live on TikTok involves a two-step process. First, go live on TikTok's site, then start streaming on OBS. Avoid streaming simultaneously on TikTok and Twitch to comply with terms of service. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement inspires us to create more content like this. And don't forget to visit our website at mediamagnaguide.com for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming on TikTok with OBS Studio.